Thankful for my family. I'm also thankful for this working family that I get to share this delicious bread with.
Thankful for Red Classic. I'm very happy that we have a chaplain that comes around and check on us.
I'm very thankful for my baby girl. She just adds up happiness in our family, so I'm very thankful for my baby girl.
For my family, thanks for God, thanks for a good place to live.
So I'm pleased to work for a great organization, have my family, have such an amazing team here at Red Classic.
Thanksgiving, I'm thankful for my friends and my family and an organization that allows me to be and live my fullest potential.
I'm thankful for my friends and my family.
My family of 5 lives in 4 different countries, and every year on Thanksgiving is the one day a year that we're all together no matter what, and that's what I look forward to every year.